Hi and welcome to the Cupcake Decorating Kit tips. When you get your cupcake box, this is what you will see. It includes 2 red velvet, 2 vanilla, and 2 chocolate cupcakes. Then you'll have a container of heart sprinkles, and a container of white chocolate heart molds, and then a container of pink, red, and white sprinkles. Before you start, you want to massage your frosting. So take it out, massage it until it's room temp, a little bit cool to room temp, and so that when you pipe it, it's nice and smooth. And then you want to cut the bottom of the tip. You do want to cut it pretty wide, so I would say you want the opening to be about 1 inch thick, because you can see here, I did not do it correctly the first time, and I'll show you what happens. So I'm trying to twist it, and I'm gonna try and frost the first cupcake. You can see the plastic right there. You want to make sure the plastic is above the metal piece, because if you don't, that's what it's gonna do. It messes up with the edges of the piping tip. So I went back and I cut it even further back, and that's how wide that was. Popped it back into the bag, and you want it to line up right above the piping tip if possible. That way the frosting will fall smoothly onto the cupcake. And so I show you here 3 different designs, but you can do it whichever way you like. The first one is just going to be a standard rosette. You start in the center and squeeze, and then just go around in a circle, piling on top of the first layer, just slightly. Sorry, the camera angle is kind of bad, but again, just go in a circular motion starting in the middle. And the second design is a hydrangea, so you just squeeze and let it fill the space a little bit, release, squeezing, and then lift up. So squeeze, release, and then lift up, and then just fill in the gaps. Again, squeeze, release, lift up, squeeze, release, lift up, squeeze, release, lift up, and just go around the cupcake and fill in the gaps. And then the last one is just going to be a standard swirl. I squeeze really hard with a lot of pressure in order to fill the cupcake gap. So if you go very loosely, you'll just see like tiny little thin swirls. So you want to squeeze really hard. And then you can top it whatever way you like. So we'll have these available throughout the month of February. They're available in store and pre-order. And then each month we'll have a different theme depending on the month, and so be on the lookout for that. You can get different cupcake decorating kits throughout the year and just really have fun with it. You can do them very nicely. You can gift them. Again, pre-order at veganeast.com or stop in store. You can call ahead to let us know that you're planning to come, and we'll have them ready for you by the time that you get in the store. These are great for parties, kids parties, adult parties. So have fun with it. Share, tag us. We want to see how you decorated your cupcake kits. Yay!